Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to self-publish a book on Amazon. Self-publishing has become a popular option for writers who want to take control of their publishing process and reach a wider audience. In this video, we will go over the steps you need to take to self-publish your book on Amazon, from formatting your manuscript to creating a cover and listing your book for sale. Let's get started. Step 1. Format your manuscript. The first step in self-publishing your book is to format your manuscript. Amazon has specific guidelines for formatting your manuscript, so it's important to follow them closely. This includes things like margins, font size, and line spacing. You can find Amazon's formatting guidelines on their website. It's important to make sure your manuscript is properly formatted before uploading it to Amazon. It's also important to note that some formatting options, such as justification, will change based on the device the book is being read on. Using a professional formatting service or software can help ensure your manuscript is properly formatted and ready for publishing. Step 2. Create a cover. Once your manuscript is formatted, it's time to create a cover for your book. Your book's cover is the first thing potential readers will see, so it's important to make a good impression. You can create a cover yourself using software like Canva or hire a designer to create one for you. The cover is an important aspect of your book, as it will be the first thing potential readers see. It's important to make sure the cover is visually appealing and accurately represents the content of your book. You should also consider the size and resolution of the cover image, as Amazon has specific requirements for the size and resolution of the cover image. Step 3. Set up your KDP account. To self-publish your book on Amazon, you'll need to set up a Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) account. This is a free account that allows you to upload and sell your book on Amazon. You can set up your KDP account on Amazon's website. Once you have set up your KDP account, you will be given access to the KDP dashboard where you can manage your book listings, track sales, and access other features. Step 4. Upload your book. Once your KDP account is set up, you can upload your manuscript and cover to Amazon. This is done through the KDP website. You'll need to provide information about your book, such as the title, author, and description. You will also be required to upload the cover image and manuscript file. Once you have uploaded your manuscript and cover, Amazon will convert the file into a Kindle format. This process can take a few minutes to complete. Once the conversion is complete, Amazon will send you an email with a link to preview your book. This is an important step as it allows you to check the book for any errors or formatting issues. Step 5. Set your price and royalties. When you upload your book to Amazon, you'll need to set a price and choose your royalties. Amazon allows you to set your own price for your book, but they also have a recommended price based on the industry standards. You can also choose to enroll your book in the KDP Select program, which allows you to earn royalties on borrows through the Kindle Unlimited program. It's important to consider how the price of your book will impact sales and royalties. You should also consider the price of similar books in your genre and adjust your price accordingly. Step 6. Publish your book. Once your book is uploaded and you've set your price and royalties, you can publish your book. This will make it available for purchase on Amazon's website. It may take a few hours for your book to be live and available for purchase. Step 7. Promote your book. Self-publishing your book on Amazon is just the first step. The next step is to promote your book to reach more readers. You can do this by sharing your book on social media, reaching out to book bloggers, and running book promotions. Conclusion. And that's it. You've just self-published your book on Amazon. It may take some time and effort, but the rewards of being a published author are well worth it. Remember to keep promoting your book and don't hesitate to experiment with different marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your self-publishing journey.